Looks like a cool weekend shaping up across the valley with clouds, showers, and maybe a flash of lightning or two possible at times. Here's what we have right now. Temperatures are stuck in the 60s nearly everywhere. It's down to 59 in Port Isabel, still 61 in Weslaco, and 62 in Rio Grande City. But if you've been outdoors, you know there's been basically no sun breaking through the clouds today. A cool northerly breeze still out there, strongest near the coast, but even there starting to die down a bit compared to yesterday. Wind speeds down to 16 miles per hour in Port Isabel, 15 in Brownsville. But clouds are all over the place, but very little rain right now. Showers are just trying to come into Starr County, kind of weakening a bit, but there were a few lightning strikes just across the border within the last hour with these showers. A little weak thunder showers, but just now getting toward about Falcon Lake and near Fronton and South Nano area in southwest Starr County. All this very light right now, but you might get a few, we'll call it moderate, little brief downpours with showers this evening, and don't be surprised to see a lightning strike or two. There's a lot more lightning back in Mexico, away in the mountains. You see several flashes there, a couple dozen lightning strikes or so, and that goes off the screen where the radar, this isn't light rain where it fades away in the green color. This is the radar beam is getting too far away there to pick up all the rain, but there are some little bursts of showers over in the mountains of Mexico. 61 tomorrow, though. I think tomorrow's the day. It's going to be cloudy like today, maybe a little cooler because rain chances increase tomorrow, so we may be stuck no better than the low 60s, but I think we have a better chance of showers in the mid and lower valley. It may not get out of the upper 50s tomorrow. Forecasting a high of 59 in Edinburg, 57 in Weslaco, and only about 57 in Brownsville. So kind of a cool day around upper 50s and lower 60s, but clouds all day tomorrow. We start off near 50 in the morning, only getting to the upper 50s or maybe low 60s in the afternoon with not rain all day, but at any point there could be some showers, maybe some drizzle, a few little showers here and there through the evening hours. Some of the models say the rain chances may increase a little bit more tomorrow night, and then maybe again later Sunday and Monday with some more showers. But you get the idea when you look at that graphic and it shows all 50s. It's not going to warm up much tomorrow. And our rain chances kind of on a slow climb this evening, only about 10 to 20% here early this evening, mostly in Starr County initially, but shower chances go up throughout the night. And then during the day tomorrow at 7 a.m. to noon, 4 p.m., it just keeps going up a little bit more. Overall, we're talking somewhere in about the 50 to 60 or 70% chance for rain tomorrow across the valley, but not nonstop rain the whole day, but showers could pop up here and there with the better chance probably near the coast. And if you look at the coast too, Port Mansfield, South Padre Island, Boca Chica Beach, generally in the 50s all day long there with about a 40% chance for rain in the morning and 40% again at noon and maybe a little higher at 5 p.m. But not going to see any suntan weather tomorrow at the coast if you're spring breaking. Also, should go on this side of the map. Behind me, there are a high surf advisory and a coastal flood advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Saturday. What that means is we do have high tide during the day tomorrow, plus the tides are coming up a little bit higher, so the water will come up on some of the beaches higher than usual, so you won't have as much space out there on the beach to drive or walk around or put umbrellas and things like that. You want to watch out for some higher water, especially during the early to mid-afternoon when it should be at its peak. A satellite radar does show drier weather to the north. We'll show you the travel forecast next half hour, but if you are headed north for spring break, kind of once you leave the valley area, not too far to the north, you get into mainly dry weather for the rest of the weekend. Future track kind of shows this too. Cool weather across Texas, but the farther north you go, it's drier. Here we have some showers in the valley, and occasional little disturbances will come through in the upper levels and increase the shower chances here and there at times over the weekend on Saturday and Sunday. But this run of Future Track doesn't show a lot of rain out there. So a look closer to home overnight does show the showers picking up in the nighttime hours. I think we could see a few showers, maybe a lightning flash or two overnight in the valley, but all this rain still generally pretty light. We're talking overnight and tomorrow rainfall amounts probably no more than 1 to 2/10 of an inch of rain in most of the valley. So not a big rain event, but just on and off showers and maybe a little burst of rain here and there. The First 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, 57 to finish spring break tomorrow. And 59 on Sunday. It's not going to be very warm and lots of clouds all the way through at least Monday, maybe Tuesday. We may not see the sun. Highs back in the 60s by Monday, Tuesday. Some of the models still hint at a good chance for rain at least through Monday. Tuesday, maybe a few showers. And then after that, we kind of gradually come out of it with not solid clouds, but probably a mostly cloudy day, some sun breaks here and there, and temperatures getting back into the 70s next week, but still maybe a couple sprinkles or light rain showers next week as spring begins on Wednesday. We'll keep tracking your First 1-5 forecast here coming up again later on Channel 5 News at 6.